9 months in federal prison AEUR, and Sean Combs just made his most audacious move yet. Today, his legal team walked into a federal appeals court in Manhattan and argued AEUR with a straight-face AEUR that Diddy's freak-offs were protected by the First Amendment. Yes, you heard that correctly. His lawyers called the recordings amateur pornography. Consensual, expressive, protected free speech. The prosecution had a different take. If drug-fueled sex parties with paid participants count as artistic expression, they argued, then every brothel in America could claim First Amendment protection. The audacity of the defense, they said, was precisely the danger. The three-judge appellate panel, visibly skeptical. One judge cut straight to the heart of it, AEUR, asking whether the original sentencing judge threw too heavy a book at Combs, even after the jury acquitted him of the more serious charges. Sex trafficking, racketeering, gone. The Mann Act was just a sideshow, one judge said pointedly. Now you want us to rely on all this acquitted conduct? Here's where things stand. The jury last summer found Combs guilty on 2 lesser counts, AEUR transportation to engage in prostitution. The bigger charges didn't stick. Yet the sentencing judge handed down 50 months, factoring in conduct the jury explicitly cleared him of. That's the wound Diddy's lawyers are pressing AEUR, and legally it isn't frivolous, but the court could rule within weeks, and depending on where 3 federal judges land, this saga could take another jaw-dropping turn. The question isn't just whether his sentence gets reduced. The real question is, AEUR, what does it mean for accountability when the most damaging charges simply evaporate? Drop your verdict in the comments, and if this story has your attention, AEUR, the drama doesn't end here. Hit subscribe and stay in the loop, AEUR, because in Hollywood, the next bombshell is always closer than you think.